Imagine approving a road design only to find out later that trucks can't clear the roundabout. Costly mistake, right? Autopath solves this easily, simulating vehicles on your design and showing you exactly where it fits and where it doesn't. It all starts with the swept path analysis. With Autopath's extensive vehicle library, you can pick anything from passenger cars to heavy trucks or even build your own custom vehicles. Simply choose a vehicle, draw or select a path, and Autopath instantly generates the swept path for you. No redrawing, no guesswork, just accurate automated analysis. Once you've got the path, why stop at static lines? With 2D and 3D animations, you can bring your design to life. Watch vehicles drive through intersections, maneuver parking lots, or navigate complex curves. You can even simulate elevation changes with vertical analysis, showing exactly how vehicles behave on slopes and grades. Perfect for both engineers and client presentations. But safety is key, and Autopath makes it easy. With clearance and collision detection, you can instantly visualize safe clearances around your paths, or highlight where vehicles might collide with curbs, islands, or other design elements. Potential issues are flagged in seconds, giving you confidence before construction even begins. Need something more specific? Autopath lets you create custom vehicles with precise dimensions, turning radii and even trailers. And when you're ready to share results, generate detailed reports. From steering angle breakdowns to vehicle profiles and turning templates, all exportable to your drawings or external files for quick client delivery. And for even more flexibility, Autopath gives you tools like tracking points, swept path to polyline conversion, and analysis blocks. Track any point on a vehicle to check clearances, convert analyses into editable polylines, or copy results into new layouts without starting over. From design to safety to presentation, Autopath streamlines every step of vehicle analysis. Why spend days testing and redrawing when you can do it all faster, smarter, and more accurately with Autopath from CGS Labs? Contact us today to learn more and start simplifying your road design workflow.